Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bowers Wilkins Px8 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair it with your Android app. Let's get started. To do such a thing, we just have to open our app and click sign in if we have an account. If we don't, we have to create a new one. Now we just have to insert our email. And now we just have to insert our password. Now just have to click confirm and sign in. Now we just have to grant access for Bluetooth devices. And now we have to turn on our device. Now we have to click start looking and wait a moment. As you can see, our product is discovered. We just have to click on it. Now we just have to swipe up and release. Now we have to wait a moment. And we are now done. Now you don't have to get notifications. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Like and subscribe for other videos and goodbye.